seeing here. So, Matthew, it's interesting because he's trying to really press her on what she said she heard Clayton discussing with Takesha Bryant, who actually testified earlier, and Takesha Bryant actually alerted Clayton to Lloyd's presence. Why is Terrence Lenneman really focusing on this? I know he's trying to strike at her credibility, but why is this conversation important?
Because it's a very bad piece of information that just came out. It just came out that his client was the aggressor. There goes your chances at self-defense. I mean, it's not 100% taken away, but it's substantially hindered. And with that being said, he needs to strike at her credibility. He needs to strike at her authenticity, her ability to remember, her ability to recite these things consistently. And that's exactly what he's trying to do. He's grappling almost at this point.
Yeah, and I'll give you about 30 seconds. Is there, I mean, we've heard several witnesses talk about the shooting. What is the end takeaway you think the jury's going to move forward with after this?
This was a genuine grapple. It was between two people who it was not that hostile, and this officer was someone who was likable and liked. And so it makes it a whole lot harder. I think insanity is going to be his best play once again.
Yeah, and it doesn't appear that she went out that day to kill Markeith Lloyd, but she was alerted to his presence, and now we're hearing that he fired the first shot. There might be inconsistencies, but right now this seems to be very strong evidence for the prosecution. Matthew Barhoma, thanks so much for breaking down all these cases with me. Appreciate it as always, and you're waking up early in California to come here. I'm going to be signing